sir. Hello, man. Nice to meet you. Let me introduce myself. I am Nila A. You can call me Nila. I am 24-year-old. I was born in 3 May 2001. My body weight is 58 kg and my height is 163 cm tall. I am single. I don't have boyfriend. I am body. I can eat everything. I don't have any food allergy. My education level is grade 9. I have 5 family members. They are my grandmother, uncle, auntie, sister, and me. I am number 1. I don't have overseas experience, but I have been in my family house taking care of my cousin sister. I will I can do well housework, ironing, cooking, washing, mopping, and other general housework. I can cook Myanmar traditional food and sensible Chinese food, such as senso, fried vegetable, and san curry. While I reach your house, please tell me your way. I can follow your instruction. I will do the best. I am ready for job. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.